Boat's back in the garage, doing a little bit more work. Got some deck lights wired up on both sides. There's the little module to change the colors and turn it on. Got alligator clamps right to the back, hook up to the battery. Got a bunch of goodies today that are much needed. LED navigation lights, bilge pump, wiring, some battery terminal mounts so I can hook up the alligator clips easier, and got a little switch, a little air horn, just cause much needed for the boat. And of course, need a scale. Got a Rapala Rapala scale, up to 50 pounds. I just need one of the clamps instead of this hook. Gonna get a time lapse going of setting all this up on the boat, wiring it all up, hooking the lights up. We're gonna get that going, and we'll see y'all after the time lapse. Alrighty, got the lights all clamped up. This one you had to screw together. Go to the front, show you the front one. Alright, can just barely see the lights. Got the front one all mounted up. Can just find a little tab here. Get the little tab. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. There we go. Just slides right off. And slides right on, clicks on. Go to the back one. Same thing, just slides on and off. Got the deck lights on. Got them on the party mode. That's what I call it, the party mode, I guess. I don't know. It says fade. But just turn it to the white mode for at night to see. And just whatever, solid modes. Probably use white for the most part. Got the lights turned back on. I didn't really show much of this. Just got the hose clamped up. Got the wires twisted together to make it cleaner. I bought extra wires because thought I'd need it, but the original wires are actually pretty long. So when I get the decking back in here, I'm gonna mount this right to the decking, right under it like this. And then just got the tube. It's all curved, so I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit so it's not sticking up. But just mount the pump just like this, and then just alligator clamp it right to the little hooks. Just how I have the LED lights. It's that alligator clamp right in the back. The wire goes down that way. But yeah, just another boring video. Just adding stuff to the boat. Just the main final touches: a bilge pump and navigation lights. And wanted to add some decking lights. So we're gonna get probably next video we're gonna get the decking back in here, and then mount the bilge pump to underneath the decking, and then get her back in the water. Now I got the bilge pump and all this wiring hooked up. I'm getting a waterproof boat cover so I can just keep the boat and decking all together. Just throw the boat cover over it when it rains and should be good. But this is gonna be it for today's video. Just a little boring setting up that stuff, showing you the new lights. New navigation lights are pretty bright, pretty nice. I'm just probably just gonna keep this clamped up, just slide this light off and put it away. I got this switch here also. I might hook up for the bilge pump at some point when I get the decking back in. I might mount it to the decking in the back here instead of just clamping it up each time. I might just flip the switch on and off, but that might be a later thought. Definitely gonna mount the bilge pump to the decking first and go from there. But like I said, enough boring, you guys. This is it for today's video. Tomorrow we'll probably get the decking in here and mount the bilge pump and get her back in the water. It's been raining the past couple days, haven't been really able to get out content besides just using the new power washer over there. But today rained, so in the garage working on the boat again. Get the boring content out. We'll see y'all tomorrow for hopefully some better content.